Hey guys, alright, so just showing off our CNC machine. We can now add on a nice touchscreen MASSO controller to it. So this is just a quick shot demo video on our CNC machine with the MASSO controller. So what I'm going to do is load up a file. Let me plug in the USB, which has some test files in there. Let's go back. Now this is just going to do a cut, a square cut, and that's 100 by 100 mil on a nice MDF 16 mil board. Now I have removed the dust shoe, as you can see, just so that we can clearly see how it's cutting and what's going on. There's an old dust shoe here that just gets slapped on. It does automatically go up and down, but while it's cutting, I just removed it as of now. So what we'll do, let's turn on our vacuum pump and we'll give it a run. Got my little vacuum pump there.